Guys, welcome to another video. Honda Hrv, how to make an oil change. This oil change takes ages if you go to the local dealer, right? Plus it's gonna charge you a fortune. So what you need basically is, let me show you 1 second. That's all the tools. So you need a filter, you need 5-6 pounds, 6-7 pounds from Halford's oil 530. I'll mix it with 030. You don't want to mix them, it's not much on this one, but I'm not gonna throw away. This is socket, then it's 17 mil, yeah, for my car. Okay, this is to undo the filter in case it's stuck, and a screwdriver. So I put the car in a pavement, normally somewhere secure. Is this secure? Hell no, it's not secure, but just lift up, not by much. And yeah, this can come down, so if you have something else it will be much better. So that's the tools. As I said, 2 tools: filter, oil, screwdriver. Oil goes in here and you check from there. Now I'm gonna take you under the car. I don't know if you can see. We need to take the cover. Let's go and take the cover. There's a plastic cover. Before we do, literally is one screw. You unscrew the screw and that's it. Let's go and check. Right, so I don't know if you can see, this is the screw. There are 3 on each side. So this is, I have 3 because I've lost one. It pushes this, let's say, ears, and they open. So when you push it back, I'm just closing them and push it up, and then I push the screw. These ones, they're on the side, yeah, 3 and 3 on the side, and this is the cover. Now I'm gonna show you. Now let me show you again what we need to do. All right, here we are. What I'm gonna do now, I need to loosen the screw, yeah. So this way it tights. I don't know if you can see. So the point is to loosen the screw. Sorry, it's the other way around. I was confused there. Lefty. All right, oof. So this is loose now, yeah. I need to put something. I forgot to say, anything needs to be kind of warm, and we need the washer, and this is the filter. I'm going to find this stuff now. Sorry, I'm going to get something for the oil, a tray, and I'll be back. Oof. Right, so the problem I have right now is I don't have much gap, but I'll tell you what I'm doing, and you can see. You have to put your hand here and make sure you undo the screw. Oh, I can't reach it very easily there. Oh no. So I'm doing the screw, bolt, So guys, I don't know if you can see what job is done. It's really hard to I'm hoping you did see that. While we're waiting for the oil to empty, I don't know if you can see it, we still need to take the filter. So what we do, this is the screw, yeah. I clean it a bit with a cloth. Wow, it's hard to film and do work, especially if you don't have the proper tools and equipment. Right, so new washer, that's it, new screw. Got rid of the old one, so I got this from I don't know, from eBay, just the washer. So now I'm gonna show you the filter. This filter should come out with a hand. It's hand screw, but I always use the tool. It's easier sometimes. Sometimes I want to screw it just a tiny bit tighter. Right, I'll try to show you now. Let me see. So this is the filter I'm trying to reach. It's a fine angle. Right, so this is the filter. I'm trying to hope I'm not gonna drop my phone. Alright, here it is. Alright, it comes out. This one has lots of threads. You can see oil comes all over the place. It can be. It's warm. Oh, come on, piece of shit. Alright. So, shit, what I'm doing. Alright. I'm done here. So, filter is done. So, I'm just gonna wait a bit. And then I'm gonna take the bucket off and put the new filter. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Cool, I'll see you in a few moments. Right, now you have to put the screw in this back. So put some oil inside the filter and then put some on the lips so it can stick a bit more. Maybe you're going to put some oil all the way up here and then screw it. I'm gonna show you in a bit how you screw it, you know. Alright, I fill it up with oil. I put some oil on the lips and now I'm gonna screw it up here. Right, oh shit, I don't want to mess with my phone. Make sure you're gonna screw it straight. You don't want to mess with the threads, and it should go by itself. Now normally I tighten it with my hand as tight as I can. However, if you want to, I don't know if you can see, just put the tool here. I hope you can. So I have the tool here. I'm gonna just tighten it a bit. Oops, slept. That's it. And now it's time to put the screw back. I don't know if you can see, but it's gonna be same way. Oops. And now putting the screw. Come on. Yeah, job done. And obviously now you need to tighten the screw. Oh, there's oil everywhere. Normally so get the tool, make sure this is tight. As tight as you can. All right. So new filter, tight as fuck. New screw, tight as fuck. Engine has no oil. So now what we're gonna do? All right, I think it's all right. So now, so it's time to put the cover back, and then we're gonna fill it with oil. Guys, after you finish with the oil filter and the screw, you made sure it fits nice and snug. Now it's time to put some sugar on me. Now that if you find the funnel, I lost the funnel. Oh, funnel is here. Funnel found. You might want to give it a blow. That's where the funnel is. And I have some 0.30 oil. So the engine oil it takes is 3.6 liters in total with the one I put on the filter. So what I do normally is this is now the tedious bit, and believe me, it is tedious. You don't want to put more on this one, because how you gonna take it out? You have to do it again. So this is 5 liter. So I want to put maybe, I don't know, 3 liters, and then I put the car level without starting it. I fill a bit and then I check with this one, see if the oil is level. So this is a 5 liter mobile, so I'm gonna put about 3 about 3 liters I want to put, maybe less than 3, maybe 2.5, and I can see the phone is gonna fall off. It's very close to fall off. Don't fall off. Ooh, didn't fall off. But anyway, you get the point. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. So sorry guys if I say that's it. It's not quite that's it. Now the most laborious thing is when you know that you have put the correct amount of oil, then you put on a flat surface. Yeah, you start the engine, you wait until it warms up, and then you wait for 3 minutes. Depends on your manufacturer's book. After 3 minutes, now that's if you want to be precise, and I think I saw a fox, irrelevant. After 3 minutes you check here again, and I don't know if you can see, here's a fox. Oh, look at her. Yeah, anyway, so back to the car. 3 minutes, warm up the engine, wait for 3 minutes, check again, add some more if needed. Don't overdo it. It's better to be I'm just trying to put in between the lines on this thing, and then it's done. That's it. Now, thanks for watching.